Hey everyone, this is Ankur Variku, and this is a series called Plan Smart with Ankur. In this 6-part series, I will take you through all the aspects of a very fundamental and a smart financial decision that every one of you has to take in life, and that is around life insurance. This series is brought to you in association with Bharti AXA, which is my knowledge partner for the series, on whom I will be relying for all the expert opinion that I need to understand and to present to you everything that there is around life insurance. In this 6-part series, we will cover why do you need life insurance, which product of life insurance should you go for, basis your own specific needs, when is the right time for you to buy your life insurance, for how long should you buy it? If you do decide to buy it, and when you decide to buy it, what are the factors that you should bear in mind before selecting the right insurance policy? And then finally, a question and answer session where any questions that you have over the course of all these videos will be answered directly in conversation with the Bharti AXA CEO. I am super thrilled to be bringing this knowledge series to you because I genuinely believe that life insurance is such an important decision that we all ought to take. And it troubles me, worries me that a lot of people postpone that decision for much later when it becomes too costly and perhaps too late to take that decision. Let's get started. In this episode, I want to stress upon just one fundamental question. Why do you need life insurance? Hindustan ke culture mein, there is this very fascinating thing where we don't speak or like to speak about the things that could go wrong. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं नजर ना लग जाए, कहीं वो बुरा influence ना आ जाए. So we tend to be hush-hush about things that are a reality and are probabilistically true. It could be the untimely death of a very important family member, perhaps the only earning member of the family. It could be a critical illness that someone goes through. It could be disability that renders them incapable of working any further. And all of these are realities that you have to prepare for. Now, the good thing is कि इन सब चीज़ों की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको अपना एक पर्सनल वेल्थ डालकर उसकी तैयारी नहीं करनी है. Because if you're the sole earning member of the family and their dependents on you, your parents, your partners, your kids, then if खुदा ना खास्ता something happens to you, suddenly the entire family goes in chaos. And one can argue, नहीं, मेरी जो investments हैं वो उसको पूरा कर लेंगी, but it can only handle so far, not for the rest of your life. If there is someone out there who's built a product specifically for that purpose, then you need to be the smart person to choose that product and at the right age for the right period. Because there are insurance companies whose only job is to say, hey, I am willing to participate in this risk with you so that you don't have to bear any repercussions of anything happening untimely and your family does not have to suffer because of that event. And for that, all you have to do is pay a very, very small percentage of the total coverage or protection that I give you. What life insurance is doing is simply saying, I provide you/your family financial protection against an event. Or I am providing you and your family financial security towards a long-term goal. And these are smart decisions to make. I personally have a life insurance term plan, which in the event of my untimely death will give my nominee, who happens to be my wife, a sum of money that I know will be enough for her and our kids to be taken care of for the rest of their lives, because I won't be there any further. And for that, I pay a frankly minuscule amount every year to get that flexibility and that coverage. Now, it could very well be, and that's what I would hope, कि मेरे साथ कुछ भी ना हो during the entire term that I have signed up for. And in that event, a lot of people might say, oh, ये सारा पैसा तो फिर waste हो गया. But that's not how you think about it. What you do is pay a very, very small amount for getting the surety of financial protection/financial planning come your way when you need it in the event that you can't plan for it. I have gone on record saying this, and I will say this once more. before you start investing your money anywhere. And I hope that you are investing your money somewhere and in very wise assets, whether it's the stock market, whether it's gold, whether it's anything. But if you are investing your money anywhere, do not start investing before you have a life insurance product assigned to you. Do not start investing before you have health insurance for you and your entire family. Because these are products that are safeguarding your very existence. They are saying, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है आप कितना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो तो आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए कर रहे हैं. 10, 15, 20 साल के बाद आपको उसका इंपैक्ट दिखेगा एंड होपफुली दैट विल बी सिग्निफिकेंट फॉर योर लाइफ. बट if something were to unfortunately happen between that period, then you cannot be left high and dry. You need protection. You absolutely need protection. And the biggest thing and the biggest mistake that I've seen people make, which I'm going to stress upon in one of the episodes of this series, is go for life insurance rather late in life. When we start thinking of retirement, when things have already been over, is when we start thinking of, oh my God, I have to plan for it. And by that time, as I said, it's either too costly or too late. And I'll tell you how in the future episodes. On that note, I would love for all of you to start actively thinking about life insurance. This series is proposed to help you in a way where every possible logical question that you may have around buying it, selecting it, deciding when to buy it, what product to go for, is going to be answered. And if there are any questions, which I hope there are plenty of, then the best thing to do is start to ask those questions in the comment section below. I will start answering them to some extent, but I'll also gather all the best questions that people have asked across those episodes and then directly ask the Bharti AXA CEO in front of him so that we hear it from the horse's mouth of someone who lives and breathes this industry and is a thought leader when it comes to designing life insurance products for the Indian consumer. I'm super excited to be participating in this journey with you. This is Plan Smart with Ankur. I'll catch you in the next episode of this series. Until then, please start asking your questions right away. I am super pumped to be answering them. All the best.